The biggest mistake that people make in the CPG launches is extending their product line too early. Every founder wants to launch a new product, new flavors, new SKUs, new products, but extending this too early is one of the fastest ways to kill all of your momentum and eat all of your cash. Don't get me wrong, as I had found in my CPG company, one of the most exciting things that we found was launching new SKUs. It was super exciting, but I will tell you, each one of them adds complexity. Inventory adds, creative reviews, cash flowing, profitability. These are all very, very real that could throw your account completely under. This is the example I like to use. If you have $100,000 in cash and you're looking to launch a product, it is very, very, very difficult, if not impossible, if you launch 5 products that cost $15,000 per product. What that does, math on this, is 5 products, $15,000 each, $75,000 in cash out the door for what I call non-liquid cash. Okay, this is inventory. If you have that, you have $5,000 per product to grow your products. That is going to be near impossible for you to scale to $1 million a year, okay? Let's jump this into a different example. You launch one product, put everything into this, get the product as good as it can be, better than all competition in every single area. You launch at a reasonable price point, and you start to see scale through this. What you do is you have one product at $15,000. That means you have $85,000 to go build this into a multi-million-dollar company. That is a possibility. In fact, it is much easier that way than the other way. So what you've got to do, you've got to nail the core. Adjust your product as you get reviews in. Don't listen to one review, but do listen to bulk number of reviews. If the taste is off, if the size is off, if anything is off and you need to improve the product, that is what you need to focus on. As you're adjusting this product, you're going to build these reviews, you're going to build your rank, you're going to build velocity, and then once it is stable, then you're going to add your variants. And you're going to find out what variants people want from consumer feedback. Please, for the sake of you, do not extend this too early. This is going to spread your budget way too thin. It's not going to allow you to spend enough on your advertising. It's going to dilute your reviews, and it's going to stall your momentum. Focus on the wins. Focus on the main product, and then go further from there. If you want more information on which variants I would launch first, or your first product to launch within the plethora of products that you may have, let me know. I'm happy to help anyone getting their first product right. Product choice is one of the most important factors on Amazon.